Hello, good morning, friend. Now let us see the question number 201. The bond angle between hybrid orbital is 107 degree. 107 degree. Okay, bond angle they are giving is student how much? 107 degree. Okay. The s orbital character of the orbital is nearly. So s character, percentage s character they are asking. Okay, s character. So dear student, how to do this type of question if you talk about that is 50% they have given, and how much 33%, 16% and 25%. So let us see student how to do. Okay, so come on the board student for the better understanding. They are saying that is they have given one question. Okay, so bond angle they are saying how much? 107 degree. Okay, and s character they are talking about s character. Okay, so when you are talking about s character student, so you check there is the 107 degree is what kind hybridization will be there. 107. Okay, nearly they are asking it is near to approx how much student? 109 degree 28 minute. Okay, approx nearly, because they are asking the nearly s character. So if 107 means 109 and 109.28 means what is student? sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. And if it is sp3 hybridization, so percentage s character. Okay, percentage s character, if you talk about they are asking percentage s character, so what would be s number of s orbital? You write that is number of what student? S orbital divided by what is total orbital, multiply by 100 total orbital, and then multiply by what student? This is the 100. Now you can check it out student by putting the value. Okay, what could be the value if you talk about now in sp3 number of s orbital is 1 divided by total number of orbital 3p1s, that is 4, multiply by 100. Okay, so it is 20. It will coming how much is coming student? 25%. So that is s character is 25%. Now let us check with the options student what the option is coming. 25% in 201. Option number D is correct student. 201, the correct option is option number 4, 25%. Now let us read out the question number 202 student. The 202 question, the hybrid orbital having equal amount of s and p character. Okay, the hybrid orbital having equal amount of s and p character. So if you are going 202 question student and equal s character, if they are saying that is percentage s is equal to percentage p, in what case it is possible? Option they have given, first option they have given sp, second option sp3, fourth option sp2, and then sp3d. Now let us check on the board student. They are saying, so here is the, if you case first sp 1s 1p means 1 by 2, so here is 50% s character and 50% p character. This is our answer. If you talk about here s character is 25% s character and here is 75% how much? P character. So this is wrong. And if you talk about sp2, so here is the s character is 33% and here is the, if you talk about the p character, this is not equal to 100 minus 33. 100 minus 33 how much is coming student? 7 and 67, around 67. And if you talk about sp3d student, so that is 1 by total orbital how many student? 415 5, that is 20%. s character here is no s percentage how much is student? It is coming the 20%. So that is which one is having s character equal student? sp. 1 s 50% s 50% p. So correct option is option number 1 student. You can read out question number 202. The hybrid orbital having equal amount of s and p character is sp. That is option number 1. Now let us move question number 203 student. Hybrid orbital with maximum p character. Maximum p character. So in what orbital having the maximum p character student? This is the maximum. They are asking maximum p character. They have given the 4 option student. What are the 4 option? sp3d. Okay, second one sp3, fourth one sp, and then the last one sp3d2. Okay, now check with the option student. 203, question number 203. If you are going, maximum p character means what student? That is the more number of p orbital. Okay, so if you talk about the maximum p, peak percentage p, if you are going, so 3p are there, p3, total orbital is 5, so multiply by 100. So how much is coming student? That is 20. So 20 into 3, so that is 60%. Okay, and if you talk about here student, for this case, sp3 case, so how much? 3 orbital. Okay, 3p orbital, total orbital 4, multiply by 100, so that is 25 is coming, that is 75%. Okay, p character. If you talk about this one student, that is sp orbital, so that is here is the 1 by 2, total orbital 2, multiply by 100, so it is coming 50%. Okay, now sp3d2 student, 3 by total orbital, how much is there? 3 1 4. Okay, 4 2 6, 4 2 6, multiply by 100, so here is how much is coming? 50. Okay, 3, and here is, if you are going 3 3 cancel out, so again that is, if you talk about the 50%. Okay, 3. So which one is having maximum? If you are talking about the maximum p character student, here is sp3, here is the 75% is coming. Okay, so correct option will be option number 2 student. You can check out in the slides. That is 203, question number, hybrid orbital with maximum p character is sp3, option number 2. Now you move on the next question. What is the next question student? 204. If you are going for the 204 student, what is the 204? Hybridization involve addition of an electron, that is wrong student. Combination and redistribution of atomic orbital, this is the correct student. The hybridization is intermixing, or the intermixing of the orbital, so that is what hybridization involve combination and intermixing, both are the same student. And redistribution of atomic orbital, when the hybrid orbital combine, intermix together, they form the new orbital, and new orbital is having same energy and same shape. So that is why what the correct option is option number 2, combination and redistribution of atomic orbitals. Now let us move question number 205. 205, when you are moving student, the hybridization of s and p orbital we get. Okay, if you are hybridization of s and p orbital we get. So let us come on the board student for the better understanding. Here is the board student. So hybridization, okay, hybridization, they are saying hybridization of, what they are saying student? Hybridization of s and p orbital. Okay, so they both are, okay, one orbital are there student. So one s orbital, suppose you are having the one s orbital, that is spherical shape, plus one p orbital, suppose this is the px, okay, dumbbell shape. So if these two are going intermixing, hybridization student, this is going hybridization, so you will get, that is two new orbital you will get student, two new orbital. Suppose one orbital is like this, and plus one more orbital is like this. Okay, how they will combine student? If you are talking about these two orbital, how they will combine? So they will combine in the linear manner, they will combine student, they will combine, that is linearly member. Here is the small loops will be there for hybrid orbital, this is. So bond angle will be how much student? That is the linear, that is 180 degree. So this is the sp hybrid orbital, sp hybrid orbital, okay. So let us check with the option student, what they are saying in the option, question number 205. They are saying on hybridization of 1s and 1p orbital, 1s and 1p orbital, 1s and 1p orbital, two mutually perpendicular, not perpendicular student, linear. The two orbital at 180 degree, 4 orbital, no 4 orbital now, 1s 1p means 2 combining means 2 new orbital, 3 orbital in plane, that is wrong. Correct option is option number 2, 2 orbital at 180 degree. Now let us move question number next 206 student, 206. What they are saying in the question 206, as they are saying student, as the s character in hybrid orbital increases, the bond angle student, so increases, decreases. Okay, so s character they are saying increases, s character, dear student, s character is proportional to, that is, s character is proportional to what student? Bond angle. S character is proportional to bond angle. So now check with the option student 206 how we will be able to understand this S character. Okay, so S character is there, bond angle is there. So if you talk about this option student, so let us check. Suppose I am having sp3 hybridization, S character is 25%. So bond angle how much student? 109 degree 28 minute. If it is there sp2 student, so S character is 33.3%. Okay, so here is S character, that is no need to get confused student. So here is bond angle is sp2, that is 120 degree. Okay, अब if you talk about sp, so here is the 50% S character. So if you talk about bond angle is the 180. So if the S character increasing, you check this line student, S character increases down the group and bond angle is also increasing 109 to 120 180. So you check with the option student. Let us check with the option that is bond increases. So correct option is the option number 1, because when the S character increases, bond angle also increases. 207 student. What is question number 207? For which of the following hybridization the bond angle is maximum? Okay, so they are asking that is which is having maximum bond angle student, that is sp2. They have given sp, sp3 and dsp2. Dear student, come on the board student to understand this question. They are asking that is maximum bond angle student. Okay, maximum bond angle. So here is bond angle. If you talk about, this is the trigonal planar shape student. Trigonal, suppose A is there and here is the B. So if you talk about this student, if you talk about this is the B. So here what will be the option if you talk about this one? So that is the trigonal planar student, trigonal planar. And if you talk about that is trigonal planar, 120 degrees there student. Okay, but the question is they are saying for which of the following hybridization the bond angle is maximum. Here is 120. If it is the, if you talk about this student, this is linear. Linear means here bond angle is 180 degrees student, linear. If you talk about the sp3 student, so sp3 is tetrahedral student, one orbital is top like this. Okay, but here is bond angle. If you talk about student, here is 109 degree 28 minute. Okay, अब now that is dsp2 student square planar. Okay, square planar. So if you talk about square planar student, here is the like this. So bond angle is how much student? Bond angle is 90 degree. So they are asking that is which of the following hybridization has maximum bond angle? That is the sp hybridization has linear geometry, that is bond angle is maximum. Now come on the question number next student 208. sp3 hybridization result is square pyramidal? No. Octahedral? No. Trigonal bipyramidal? No. A tetrahedral molecule. So sp3 hybridization we know student that results the structure of the tetrahedral. So correct option is option number 4 student. No need for discussion. You can watch out the lecture itself. Okay. Now question number 109. The type of hybrid orbital used by oxygen atom in Cl2O molecule. That is Cl2O molecule is there. Okay, they are asking hybridization student. So better try to come here and try to understand on the board student. Okay. So Cl2O molecule, when you are talking about Cl2O molecule hybridization, they are asking student. So oxygen is central atom student. Oxygen is, so hybridization short formula is what student? 1/2 in bracket B plus M minus C plus A. So here is 1/2 student. Number of valence electron is 6 plus number of monovalent. Chlorine is monovalent, that is 2. Cation is 0 plus anion is 0. Okay student. Now it is 1/2 and in a square how much electron is there? 8. Okay. So 2 4 no 8 4 is coming student sp3 hybridization. Okay. So sp3 1s 3p, that means total 4 orbital. Now check with the option 209. 209 means what student? That is sp3. Correct option is option number 1 itself is given, sp3 hybridization. Now let us go in the question number 10 student. Okay. So question number 10, when you are in alkenes means alkene. C3H4 they have given one molecule student, and in which that is double bond is there because it is alkene. The type of hybridization of carbon atom is, okay. So they are asking that is hybridization. So if you talk about hybridization, student, so what would be the firstly you should know the structure. Okay, so let us come on the board, student. Hybridization, they are asking how 3 carbon is there, 1 2 3 carbon. You can keep here 2 hydrogen because this is alkene, so hydrogen will occupy like this corner position. Okay, so that you can put the double bond here and double bond here. A carbon valency you can match 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 1 2 3 4 for this carbon, 4 4 is there. For this carbon, come to the hybridization. Okay, for the carbon, this carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3, hybridization carbon 1. Okay, hybridization I'm writing that is C1. Okay, carbon 1. So what will there, student? 1 by 2. Okay, number of valence electron 4 plus number of monovalent atom 2. So how much coming, student? Plus cation plus anion is not there, student. C plus A, 0 plus 0. So I am not mentioning everything. So that is 1 by 2. It is coming 1 by 2 into what, student? 6 is equal to how much is coming? 3. 3 means what, student? sp2. If you are coming C2, okay, C2, so that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and B plus M, how many valence? Like 4 plus monovalent is 0 plus minus 0 plus 0, no cation, no anion, student. So 1 by 2 multiply by 4, it is coming 2, student, and 2 means what? sp hybridized. 2 means what? sp hybridization. 2 means what? sp hybridization. 2 means sp hybridization. So now question option number 3. If you take here is, student, if you talking about the C3 carbon number C3, here is, student, C3. If you talk about that is 1 by 2. Okay, H is equal to hybrid 1 by 2, valence electron 4, monovalent atom 2. Okay, 4 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0. So how much is, student? 1 by 2 multiply by 6. So 2 3 is 6, 3. 3 means what, student? sp2. So what hybridization coming, student? sp1 is having sp2, then sp, then sp2. Okay, sp2, sp2. Let us check with the option, student. Question number 210. First one is sp, sp3. sp3 is wrong, student. sp, sp2. Okay, that is correct. Only sp2, no, wrong. sp2, sp3. The correct option is option number 2, student. sp and sp2. These two type of hybridization is there. For the next question, student, we will go for the next video from the 211 onwards. Thank you so much for watching, friends.